Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the D-VXR-DY-01 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank and they were updated on December 16, 2024. Exam details. Question 1. What is a primary benefit of deploying hyperconverged infrastructure? The knowledge points of this question are: benefits of HCI. HCI merges computing, storage, and networking into a single system, making it easier to manage. This means less hardware to deal with and simpler operations, which can save both time and money. So, the correct answer is hyperconverged infrastructure, or HCI, combines computing, storage, and networking into one system. This makes managing these resources easier and more efficient since everything is integrated and works together smoothly. Question 2. What role does vSAN play in a VxRail system? The knowledge points of this question are: role of vSAN. vSAN is like the brain for storage in VxRail, managing how data is stored across the system's hard drives. It helps make sure data is stored efficiently and remains accessible even if parts of the system go down. So the correct answer is vSAN in a VxRail system handles how data is stored across the hardware in the cluster. It spreads out data across different storage devices, which helps keep everything running efficiently and reduces the risk of losing data if something fails. Question 3. Which management tool is specifically designed for the VxRail system? The knowledge points of this question are: VxRail System Management. The VxRail Manager makes it easy to set up and look after your VxRail system. It works closely with VMware's vCenter, letting you keep an eye on your system's health and manage updates smoothly. So, the correct answer is VxRail Manager is specially designed to manage VxRail environments. It helps with setting up, monitoring, and managing the system, making sure everything works together properly and is easy to oversee. Question 4. What is the recommended procedure for adding nodes to an existing VxRail cluster? The knowledge points of this question are: cluster expansion. Adding more nodes to your VxRail is streamlined with VxRail Manager, which automatically sets up the new nodes to work with the existing ones. This helps avoid downtime and keeps everything running smoothly. So, the correct answer is: when you need to add more nodes to a VxRail cluster, you should use VxRail Manager. This tool ensures that the new nodes are compatible with your existing setup and integrates them smoothly, keeping your system stable and efficient. Question 5. What is the optimal data protection solution for a VxRail environment? The knowledge points of this question are: data protection solutions. For protecting data in VxRail, Dell EMC Data Domain is a top choice. It reduces the space needed for backups and ensures your data is safe and sound, even in demanding situations. So, the correct answer is For backing up and protecting data in a VxRail environment, Dell EMC Data Domain is the way to go. It's designed to handle large amounts of data efficiently, saving space and making sure your data is secure. Question 6. What happens if a hardware failure occurs in a VxRail cluster node? The knowledge points of this question are high availability and redundancy. If a part of your VxRail fails, vSAN's smart features keep everything running by redistributing the load to other parts of the system. This means your apps and services stay up and running even during hardware troubles. So, the correct answer is if a node in a VxRail cluster fails, vSAN's built-in redundancy features kick in. They keep everything running by automatically managing the data and workload distribution, so there's no interruption in service. Question 7. What is the minimum number of nodes required to deploy a VxRail cluster? The knowledge points of this question are VxRail cluster requirements. You need at least 3 nodes to start a VxRail cluster. This setup ensures your system runs well and can handle failures without disrupting services. So, the correct answer is you need at least 3 nodes to start a VxRail cluster properly. This ensures that the system has enough resources to handle tasks and maintain data safely, even if one node has issues. Question 8. Which communication protocol is utilized between nodes in a VxRail cluster? The knowledge points of this question are network protocols in HCI. VxRail nodes talk to each other using ISCSI, a protocol that lets them send and receive storage data over the network as if the disks were directly connected, making data exchanges quick and efficient. So, the correct answer is ISCSI is the protocol used for moving storage data between nodes in a VxRail cluster. It allows the nodes to communicate over the network efficiently, treating remote storage as if it were local, which speeds up data transfer and access. If you have any questions about the D-VXR-DY-01 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.